Picture this. You're about to give a big presentation. Your heart pounds in your chest like a drum solo. Your palms are slick with sweat. Or maybe you're about to go on a first date. Your stomach churns with a nervous energy. These familiar sensations signal the arrival of an adrenaline rush. We've all experienced it. That surge of energy, that feeling of being on high alert. But what exactly is happening in our bodies during these moments? What is this powerful force taking hold? The answer lies in a hormone, a chemical messenger that courses through our veins, adrenaline. It's the body's way of preparing us for a challenge, for fight or flight. Adrenaline, also known as epinephrine, is produced in our adrenal glands, two small organs that sit atop our kidneys. These glands are crucial for our body's fight or flight response. When we perceive a threat, whether real or imagined, our brain sends a signal to these glands, instructing them to release adrenaline. This signal triggers the release of adrenaline into our bloodstream, causing a cascade of physiological changes. Think of it like this: your brain is the security guard, constantly scanning for danger. It's always on high alert, ready to protect you. When it spots something suspicious, it sounds the alarm, sending out adrenaline as its first responder. This hormone acts quickly to prepare your body for immediate action. This surge of adrenaline is not a conscious decision. It happens automatically without you even thinking about it. It's an automatic response, a primal instinct designed to enhance our chances of survival. This instinct has been hardwired into us over millions of years. But why does our body go through such dramatic changes in the presence of this hormone? What exactly happens inside us? The answer lies in the physiological effects of adrenaline, the way it prepares us to confront or flee from danger. It increases our heart rate, boosts our energy levels, and sharpens our focus, all to ensure we can handle the threat at hand. As adrenaline floods our system, it triggers a cascade of physiological changes. Our heart rate and blood pressure spike, delivering oxygen and energy to our muscles with greater speed and force. Our breathing becomes rapid and shallow, maximizing oxygen intake. Our pupils dilate, allowing more light to enter our eyes, sharpening our vision. Blood flow is redirected away from non-essential functions like digestion, focusing resources on our limbs, preparing them for action. Muscles tense, poised for a burst of strength and speed. These changes are not merely physical, they have a profound impact on our mental state as well. We become hyper-aware of our surroundings, our senses heightened, our focus laser-sharp. Time seems to slow down as we enter a state of heightened awareness, ready to react with lightning speed. The effects of adrenaline are often most visible in extreme situations where the stakes are high and the outcomes can be life-changing. Stories abound of mothers lifting cars to save their trapped children, their bodies fueled by a surge of superhuman strength. These moments of heroism are awe-inspiring and demonstrate the incredible power of adrenaline. We see it in athletes pushing their bodies beyond their limits, achieving feats of incredible speed and endurance. Their determination and physical prowess are often driven by the adrenaline coursing through their veins. But adrenaline's influence extends beyond these dramatic displays. It plays a role in our everyday lives, often in ways we might not even realize. It's at play in our everyday lives, sometimes in subtle, even debilitating ways. The rush of adrenaline can be triggered by something as simple as a stressful day at work or an argument with a loved one. That feeling of freezing up during a public speech, when your mind goes blank and your heart races, the overwhelming panic of a crowded room where every sound seems amplified and every movement feels like a threat, the racing thoughts that keep us awake at night, these too can be attributed to the power of adrenaline. It can turn a simple worry into a sleepless night. While adrenaline is essential for survival, its effects can be misconstrued by our modern minds. Our ancestors relied on it for immediate physical threats, but today it often responds to psychological stress. Our bodies often react to everyday stressors as if they were life or death situations, triggering an adrenaline rush that leaves us feeling anxious and overwhelmed. Understanding this can help us manage our responses better and find ways to cope with modern stress. The key to managing adrenaline lies in understanding that its release is an automatic response, not a conscious choice. This powerful hormone is released by our adrenal glands in response to stress or excitement, preparing our body for a fight or flight reaction. We can't prevent our bodies from flooding with this powerful hormone, but we can learn to manage its effects and regain control. Techniques like mindfulness and meditation can be incredibly effective in helping us stay grounded. Deep breathing exercises can help to slow our heart rate and calm our nerves. By focusing on our breath, we can create a sense of calm and reduce the intensity of the adrenaline rush. Physical activity, even a brisk walk, can help to metabolize the excess adrenaline in our system. Exercise not only helps to burn off the adrenaline, but also releases endorphins, which can improve our mood. And reframing our thoughts, shifting our perspective from threat to challenge, can help to rewire our brain's response to stress. This mental shift can transform our experience of stress into an opportunity for growth. The next time you feel the familiar surge of adrenaline, remember this: it's not your enemy. Instead, see it as a signal that your body is gearing up to help you tackle whatever lies ahead. It's your body's way of preparing you to rise to the occasion. Embrace it and use it to fuel your determination and focus. By learning to manage its effects, we can harness its power, transforming anxiety into energy, fear into focus, and stress into strength. This transformation can lead to a more resilient and empowered version of ourselves. What are your experiences with adrenaline rushes? Have you found effective ways to manage and harness this powerful response? Share your thoughts and stories in the comments below. Your experiences could help others learn to manage their own adrenaline surges.